Before we jump into the ocean, let me talk about Flutter and how we are going to use this in this course. Flutter is a cross-platform framework. That means you can target multiple platforms. From a single code base, you can build mobile, web, desktop, and embedded apps using Flutter. Because of single code base, you don't have to maintain different projects. In this way, it will save your time, effort, and money. Flutter developers use Dart programming language that supports both object-oriented and functional paradigm. Dart is heavily optimized for Flutter and compiled natively. Flutter is fast. Flutter code compiles to advanced RISC machine or Intel machine code as well as JavaScript for fast performance on any device. Flutter is productive. You can build and iterate quickly with hot reload and update code and see changes almost instantly without losing state. Flutter is flexible. It controls every pixel to create customized, adaptive designs that look and feel great on any screen. Flutter is great, no doubt about it. You can do wonder and surprise your friends and family and the whole world by creating beautiful apps. This course will guide you and help to reach you to a certain point, and from afterwards, you will be on your own. You will create your own way and you will be fully in charge of your future journey. I will start from Dart programming language. You don't have to be a master in Dart. You will learn Dart as much as it needs to start Flutter smoothly. Besides, when you start Flutter and start building apps, you will always use Dart and never stop learning it. After Dart, you will be introduced with widgets. Widgets are the core components for building user interfaces. Without widgets, Flutter is nothing. Widgets are like Lego pieces. You join them, you get a shape. It's very important to choose your widgets carefully because there is always a performance issue. Many widgets have privileges over others, have optimized controls, and better benefits. Widgets can be customized, modified, and even created from scratch if you don't like the default ones. Besides widgets, you will learn how to refactor your codes. That means separate your codes into methods and other small widgets to improve code visibility and access. After having a sound knowledge on widgets, you will head over to the world of state management. If there is anything important left after widgets, it's state management. You will get few ideas about state management when you explore widgets, but here you will learn one of the best approaches for state management. Also, you will see how this approach can help your project to grow within a pattern. After the training, the real battle begins. You will build a puzzle game based on word search. Provider, the famous state management approach, once again will be in the driving seat. During building this game, you will experience the heaviest manipulation of widgets and logic. The idea of building a game in this early stage of your journey is for shaking your brain a little bit to make room for upcoming hurdles. Navigation is an integral part of any application. Flutter provides multiple ways to do that, and you will learn the most advanced and recommended approach in this course. The idea is to prepare you for any kind of situations where you might to adjust and modify your project based on features that you are planning for future. By using Router or Go Router, you will not only be able to build dynamic apps with dynamic links, but also you can always open a door for adopting a different platform. For examples, web. You will use this navigation technique for the rest of the projects and examples. The first real challenging app you will make in this module with various features and options, and the main focus of this project will be local database. You will learn how to use SQLite by using SQLite plugins and persist data and perform CRUD operations. You will create a virtual visiting card holder app where visiting cards will be scanned by using text recognition tools. Also, you can make calls, send emails and SMSs, view location on map and web links on browsers. While completing this project, your idea on managing state and data and the control flow of application, the behavior of an app will be more clear and concise. Persisting and managing data by ourselves is a tedious job. What if someone stores and manages data in their own server and database, and we just make a request them and get all the data and show our user? Sounds great. That's what you will do in this module. You will consume REST APIs and JSON data from remote server by making web GET request and build an earthquake app where you will show earthquake events that happened all around the world. Not only that, you will learn how to detect device location and fetch data according to that. Firebase is a complete backend solution from Google. It not only serves for mobile apps, also you can use Firebase for web, Unity, and more platforms. Analytics, testing, authentication, database storage, hosting, messaging, remote configuration, machine learning, cloud functions, you name it. What's truly mind-boggling is it's amazingly very easy to learn, apply, and deploy. Firebase does all the heavy liftings for us. In this module and the next module, you will build two applications, a simple e-commerce platform where you will sell telescopes to your customers. As an admin, you will add and manage telescopes, users, orders, and receive notifications whenever an order takes place. As a user, you will add telescope to cart, update quantity, place order, rate telescope, view orders, etc. Also, you will use cloud functions and write a little bit JavaScript code to create functions to dispatch notification based on database events. By finishing this course, you will have a complete idea on how Flutter works and what it takes to create a complete project from scratch. If you can keep a consistent pace, maintain a schedule, and turn practice into habit, nothing can and will stop you afterwards. Now that you know what you are about to learn, take a deep breath, sit tight, gear up, and roll out. See you in the next lecture.